In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Samsung S20 FE phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. All you want to go ahead and do is swipe down on the top right of your screen. It's going to bring up your control panel, then just go to the top right where it has your settings wheel. Now, this is going to bring you up to your settings where you're going to see a lot of different options. Now, it might be slightly different on your Samsung. Right now, I'm using an S25 Ultra, but normally you just want to go over to General Management, which is right under Apps, and that's where it should be for you as well. Once you're here, scroll down and you're going to see Reset under Mouse and Trackpad. So go ahead and click on that. Now, it's going to say before resetting your phone, back up your data to Samsung Cloud or an external storage device. You can restore your data after resetting. So it's going to ask you to back up your data. You can do a temporary cloud backup, or you can do an external storage backup, for example, if you want to plug it in a USB device or anything like that. So you can do that as well, but you got to do one of those different methods. So if you don't have a USB, just do the temporary cloud backup because it's going to last for 30 days. And then after that, it's going to allow you to reset your settings, mobile network settings, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, accessibility, or right at the bottom, you're going to see factory data reset. But like I said, you have to do a backup before you go ahead and do that. And yeah, that's it. Then you'll be good to go.